Yo, 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 yo. So, hello everyone, I'm Marlo, and welcome back to a trade recap. Today is Monday, and today we actually made money. I should have made more today. Like, I'm not going to cap, I should have made more today. But, I'll still take it. I'll still take it. Today I made like $200. Nothing that crazy. Unfortunately for me, I got into a negative risk reward trade. I risked more than I could have won. But in the same time, I think I made one mistake today. So I guess I should journal it. I'm not complaining about the fact that I still want to trade. I mean, a win is still a win at the end of the day. But yeah, let's go through this shit. Let's show you what happened today. Let's show you what my bias was. So yeah, today the 4 hour was bullish. I thought that we are going to go to sweep out like maybe these highs on ES, but I really didn't know if we are going to displace that higher. So yeah, the 4 hour was bullish on both indices, ES and Nasdaq. The hourly was bearish on Nasdaq right here, but bullish on yes. So I needed some confirmation. And I wanted to base my trade off of this 15-minute gap getting respected or not. Unfortunately for me, that trading idea was invalidated, so I had to like work with what I got. So after we inversed this gap to the downside and we swept everything there was to sweep on ES, we even got into this gap right here. I thought, okay, let's see what price wants to do. Let's see if we want to break structure back to the upside on both indices, because we created this V-shaped movement on both of them, ES and Nasdaq. So after I saw that we like ran through this shit, I just waited for some type of retracement, which I got right here. We broke 1 minute structure to the upside, and then we broke structure back to the upside. I think I said downside, right? We broke structure to the downside and then right back to the upside, creating a 5 minute retrace. I actually wanted to see if we are going to respect this gap. We respected it on ES, so I decided that I should long. Unfortunately for me, I should have longed a little bit like lower, but I I messed up the limit orders, and I only got like this 0.63 risk reward ratio. I should have let this trade rock a little, because Nasdaq had all of these like stacked up highs right here that could have been taken out, and they were. So yeah, well, the mistake that I made was that I think I should have long Nasdaq today. I should have really long Nasdaq today, because we had a whole lot more opportunity to the upside than we had on ES. On ES, sorry, we only had this 15 minute high and this hourly high, and like that was it. Like up until this point, which wasn't touched, even now, we didn't really had anything. We were in no man's land. I can see that we're displacing higher, but I wasn't really eager to hold my position for like that long. So I took the small win and I called it a day. So yeah, I think I should have took this trade on Nasdaq, just because it was way more smoother, way better, even though we were choppy for some period of time. The price action was just better on Nasdaq. We had a whole lot of opportunity on Nasdaq, while on ES, not really. So that's one mistake that I made. I guess I should note that and not do this shit the next time. Well, yeah. Why didn't I took my trade on Nasdaq? Because in my opinion, it was the more bearish index. So why would I want to long the more bearish index? But considering the opportunity that we had to the upside, I should have long Nasdaq. But yeah, this is the mistake that I made today. Unfortunately for me, I got into this trade. We had negative risk reward. Maybe I should have like partially closed my positions once Nasdaq took all of these highs out, because we broke 1 hour structure right here, so obviously we should have took like these highs out, but it is what happens, bro. Like, it is what happens. It is what happens. Maybe if I would have saw that we broke hourly structure right here on Nasdaq, I would have long Nasdaq, but you know, it is what it is. At the end of the day, I still made money today. I didn't lose, so yeah, this is what happened today. Well, in the same time, I'm not mad. Like, I'm not mad at all. Like, talking to y'all guys, today I made money, so I guess this is like still a good day. But yeah, this was my trading day. This is everything that I did today. By the way, this trade was taken on live on kick.com/Marlo the best. Join there. I go live at every market open, almost every market open, and I will not go live for so long. Today we had some people there. And I think maybe one of those is one of you guys from YouTube. So I guess I should thank you for that. But yeah, this was my trading day. Today we made money. Today we didn't lose shit. We're one step closer of actually passing this funded account. We only need like 3 winning days, so we could like complete our rule. We have to like get 5 consistent winning days of at least $100. So for right now, I think we have 2 or 3. I'm not sure, but yeah, this is what I've done today. Today we made money, so there's no reason for me to complain or brag about it. I love and appreciate you guys. Thank you for staying here with me, analyzing my trade, and also helping me journal my trades because, as I said in countless of videos, this is my journal. Like, this channel is my journal, and that's it. But yeah, I love and appreciate you guys. Thank you for staying with me up until this point, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new day to trade. Oh, by the way, I remember why I didn't want to like stay into this position. Yeah, sorry. We had news coming out at 10, so I thought that they're going to influence the market. Unfortunately for me, they didn't, but yeah, that was my reason to not stay into the trade, I guess. I love and appreciate you guys. Bye.